Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss sleeve or muff coupling. Here this is the diagram of sleeve. This is called muff or sleeve. So in this major two parts are there. First one is the design part, second one is the verification part. In design part we have to design shaft, sleeve and key. After design part is over, we have to check the stresses induced in the key is less than or equal to given allowable stresses. If the values are less than or equal to the given values, the key design is safe. The sleeve coupling is the simplest type of rigid coupling made up of cast iron. It consists of a hollow cylinder whose internal diameter is same as that of the shaft. Here these are the proportions. The outer diameter from here to here, this is the outer diameter. Capital D is equal to 2D plus 13. The length of the sleeve. Here this is the length of the sleeve. L is equal to 3.5D. First we have to design the shaft. We know the power equation. P is equal to 2 pi n t by 60. From this equation, we have to calculate the torque 60 into P by 2 pi n. Okay. And we know the equation of the torque transmitted by a solid circular shaft. T is equal to pi by 16 d cube. Here d is the diameter of the shaft. From this equation, we are finding the torque value. After getting torque value here, substitute in this equation, we have to find either tau or d. While calculating the problems, tau is given. We have to find diameter. Or diameter is given. We have to find the tau. This is the procedure for design of shaft. Coming to design of sleeve. Design of sleeve. Here the sleeve is assumed as hollow circular shaft. We know the torque equation for hollow circular shaft is pi by 16 tau d power 4 minus d power 4 by capital D. This equation can be written in some textbooks pi by 16 tau c d cube into 1 minus k power 4. Here k is the ratio of small d by capital D. In problem, sometimes the k value directly given. We had simply substitute the value. Next, design of key. Third one is the design of key. The design of key by simply taking the proportions. Suppose width is equal to d by 4, thickness is equal to d by 6 and L is equal to capital L by 2 is nothing but 3.5 d by 2. By using these proportions, we are finding the key design. From here, the design part is over. Next, verification part. Verification part is basically two types. One is for shearing, second one is for crushing. So check for shearing. Check for shearing. Generally, the torque equation is equal to force into radius. We know the equation stress equal to load by area. Load or force. From this, we get force is equal to stress into area. T equal to stress into area. Here, stress is called the shear stress. Coming to area, the key element is here. The cross section like this. This is width and this is the length of the key. So this area will be affected while shearing. So what about the area here? W into L. Coming to R, that is d by 2. So tau WL d by 2. So torque. Here the torque value previously finding in equation 1, substitute the value. We have to check tau I and substitute W value, L value, D by 2 value. Here the tau value is less than or equal to the safe permissible or allowable stress given in the problem. Next, check for crushing. Check for crushing. Here also torque is equal to force into radius. Here force equal to stress into area. Crushing stress into area into R. Coming to area. Here shaft. The crushing area allowable or the crushing area subjected to load is half of the portion only. Here this is the half. Total value is thickness. But in half portion only the crushing area develops. That is T by 2 over a length of L. So what about the area? T by 2 L. Again R is equal to D by 2. Here this is the sigma C. So finally T is equal to sigma C T by 2 L D by 2. Here also substitute torque value, thickness L, D values. You have to find sigma Ci. Sigma Ci is less than or equal to sigma Cs. S is the safe permissible stress given in the problem. Okay, so let us solve one example problem. Here this is the problem given. Okay, design and make a neat dimension sketch of a muff coupling which is used to connect two steel shaft transmitting 40 kilowatt at 350 rpm. The material for the shafts and key is plain carbon steel, for which allowable shear stress and crushing stresses may be taken as 40 megapascal and 80 megapascal respectively. The material for the muff is cast iron, for which the allowable shear stress may be assumed as 15 megapascal. Okay. First you have to write the given data. Here power is given 40 kilowatt. We have to convert into watts. 40 into 10 cube watts. Speed is given 350 rpm. Stresses are given. Shear stress 40. Crushing stress 80 megapascal. We have to convert into Newton per mm square. 1 megapascal is equal to 10 to the power of 6. 1 pascal Newton per mm square. You have to convert into meters. Okay. 1 meter equal to 1000 mm. 10 cube square. 10 to the power of 6. So directly 40 Newton per mm square. Similarly 80 Newton per mm square here. Okay. And next the muff cast iron which is allowable shear stress muff material is given 15 megapascal. This is also 15 Newton per mm square. Okay. So first we have to design the shaft. Design for shaft. We know the equation, torque equation is equal to 2 pi n by 60. Power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. From this equation we have to calculate the torque. P into 60 by 2 pi n. P 40 into 10 cube, power value 40 kilowatt is given, into 60 by 2 into pi into speed 350 rpm. By calculating this we get 1100 Newton meters. We have to convert into mm. 1100 into 10 cube Newton mm. By using this equation, we have to find the diameter of the shaft. So T is equal to pi by 16 tau s into d cube. Torque transmitted for the solid shaft. Here the torque value is 1100 into 10 cube is equal to pi by 16 tau s. Here 40 given, 40 Newton per mm square, 40 into d cube. By using this equation, you have to calculate diameter value. D is equal to 52 rounded to 55 mm. Second one is the design for sleeve. Design for sleeve. Here while deriving the equation, we are having the proportions. Capital D is equal to 2D plus 13. 2 into diameter just now calculated 55 mm plus 13 is equal to 123 rounded to 125 mm. L is equal to 3.5D is equal to 3.5 into 55 is equal to 192.5 rounded to 195 mm. Here we have to check the induced stress in the muff. What is the equation here? Torque transmitted hollow shaft. Here sleeve. Sleeve assumed as a hollow circular shaft. Pi by 16 tau c d power 4 minus d power 4 by d. Okay. Here the torque value is 1100 into 10 cube is equal to pi by 16 into tau c. Capital D 125, small d 55 by 125. So from this equation you have to solve tau c is 2.97 Newton per mm square. Here the value is given 15. So this value is less than 15. The design of sleeve is safe. Next, design for key. Design for key. According to the standard tables, with respect to the diameter of the shaft, the key values can be taken. W is equal to 18 mm. Here we are having one equation. The shearing stress is double the crushing stress. So by using these values assumed as a square key. That means thickness is equal to width is equal to 18 mm. L is equal to capital L by 2. So capital L is 195. 195 by 2 around 97.5 mm. So from here the design part is over. Now verification part. First check for shearing. So the equation is torque is equal to tau into WL into T by 2. So previously we are calculated torque value, W, L and diameter value. Substitute here, check for the shear. Torque value 1100 into 10 cube is equal to tau into W 18, L 97.5 by 2 into D, L 97.5, D 55 by 2. So by calculating this equation, around 48.2 into 10 cube tau s. The tau s value is 22.8 Newton per mm. Here what is the given value? 40 megapascal. So is 40. So shearing is safe. Check for crushing. What is the equation we are having? T equal to sigma c T by 2 L D by 2. Check the crushing value. Here T 18 by 2, L 97.5 to 55 by 2. By solving this equation we get 45.6 Newton per mm square. The given value is 80. So crushing also safe. This is a procedure for calculating sleeve or muff coupling design and problems. Thanks for watching the video.